Creation of vaccines marks one of the greatest advancements in science because of its impact on human lifespan and health. Vaccines prevent approximately 6 million deaths per year and save 386 million years of human life globally. Through the generations, vaccines have helped protect us from countless diseases such as smallpox, mumps, polio, and measles. The development of vaccines usually takes around a decade, but the new mRNA COVID-19 vaccines, Pfizer and Moderna, took less than a year to develop. With this new technology, the time taken for vaccine development for emerging diseases can decrease, potentially saving millions of lives and changing global health forever. So what are mRNA or messenger RNA vaccines exactly, and how do they work? The purpose of a vaccine is to mimic an infection and activate the body's immune system without causing the illness. They do this by introducing a weakened or dead version of a virus. This won't make you sick, but it will teach your body about the virus and how to fight it if it is exposed to it later on. mRNA vaccines work differently. Our body uses DNA to make everything we need to survive and be us. It is like a cookbook, with many recipes inside to help our body make different things it needs. mRNA or messenger RNA is like a single recipe in this cookbook. It travels to the inside of the cell, our mini kitchens, and the cell can then create that dish to be sent out and used by the body. The COVID-19 virus has its own cookbook, and one of the recipes is for the spike protein on the outside of the cell. These spikes cover the virus and help it attach and enter into our cells and infect us. Scientists have managed to figure out the mRNA sequence or recipe for the spike protein and create the mRNA vaccine based on this recipe. The recipe is packaged into a safe mixture and injected into your arm, and your body's little kitchens can go to work and make lots of spike proteins. Because they're only making the spikes, you can't catch COVID-19 from the vaccine or spread it to other people. Your body then recognizes that these spikes are foreign, and like any other vaccine, the body learns about the virus and how to destroy it. Now, if your body does encounter the COVID-19 virus and its spike proteins, it can quickly destroy the virus before it makes you sick. There is also this common misconception that the mRNA vaccine is a whole new technology. In actuality, mRNA vaccines have gone through testing for 30 years for diseases like the Zika virus, HIV, and influenza. Through past research, enormous funding, and worldwide collaboration, we created multiple safe and effective mRNA vaccines in our fight against COVID-19. The great thing about this vaccine is that as soon as scientists can figure out the genetic sequence or cookbook for new viruses, they can start determining the mRNA to provide in a vaccine to protect against the virus. If we do have any future pandemics, we are more prepared and can develop a new vaccine in a matter of months. A vaccine that can deliver specific instructions to your body also opens up a whole new world of disease treatment for things like cancer and HIV. This effective, low-cost, incredibly speedy new type of vaccine may change the prevention and treatment of diseases forever.